Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video we'll be talking about referencing, though before we indulge in today's topic, let's quickly recap from the previous video where we spoke about plagiarism. We defined plagiarism as representing another person's work or idea as your own. We spoke about two different types of plagiarism, which are intentionally and unintentionally. Intentionally, it's when you copy your friend's work, homework, or any other work, where you cut and paste. Unintentionally, we spoke about excessively citing and improper quoting. And we also spoke about the penalties of plagiarism, which include getting 0 in your assignment or essay, expulsion or suspension from your academic work. Well, let's tackle our referencing video for today. Why reference? Demonstrate researched appropriate literature, undertaken reading, acknowledge used ideas of others to avoid plagiarism. Key to good academic practice, enhance the presentation of your work, show writing based on knowledge, information, by appropriate academic reading, enables person reading your work to trace source used or give credit for effort or quality. In simplicity to everything that I've just said, your benefits to show off. I know we all want to show off that our work is much better than the others, to add authority to your arguments, to add credibility to your information. The reader's benefits: to understand the concept, the content of your work, to allow your reader to track down your research. Is there anything here you don't need to reference? No. What should be referenced? Ideas, information, results, opinion from any source that you have summarized, paraphrased, or directly quoted. Definitions of terms. Illustrations, tables, figures drawn from source. Your ideas that are also those of an author you have read. Plans, ideas, or anything that was stimulated by others. Acknowledging source is called citing or referencing. First point, a citation or reference in the text is where you refer to an author. It may be in a form of direct quote or a summary or paraphrase of an author. Whenever referring to an author, explain his or her position and your critique or comment on it. Referencing in the text. First bullet, author. The author's name followed by the date of publication. Gabe, 2011, argues that. Quoting an author briefly, this is sometimes called short quote. Gabe, year, date of publication, and the page number. Long quote. When we talk about long quotes, we talk about when what you want to quote is 2 or more lines. You first start a new line, indent the quotation without quotation mark. When summarizing or paraphrasing, start with your own word. Explain only the main ideas. Reduce it so that it is shorter than the original text. Helpful when describing different authors' view on a topic, providing research evidence to support your writing. Always acknowledge the original source. Is this referencing okay? Let's check out. Let's both go through it. Working in teams has many advantages and disadvantages. Advantages include such as blah blah blah. In contrast to these potential benefits, working in teams may have disadvantages such as blah blah blah. Disadvantages are most obvious when conflict arises. Do we see any errors? I think it's okay. Let's see the answer. No, not really. The last sentence comes from the source. Let the reader know the source from the beginning. Meaning, the Jones end 2001 should be here in the beginning. Secondary referencing, where the passage you are referring to is the author's own reference to another author. You are relying on their accurate and unbiased reproduction of that work. So it is much better to locate the source and read and reference it directly in your own work. You cannot locate the original. Secondary reference it by. In the body of your text, cite both work. In the end list, reference the item you have read. Hey, this cartoon wants to cry. True or false? I don't need to use quotation mark if I changed a few words from the original. False. No quotation mark suggests the wording is yours. Change a word here and there can result in accusation of plagiarism. Compiling the reference list. The end list. At the end of your work, include a list of reference. List in alphabetical order by author. Do not separate into different type of work. The following slide shows how to reference correctly. Bibliographies and reference list. Bibliography lists all the materials you have read, whether cited in your assignment or not. Reference list. List only the materials you have cited directly in your assignment, where both are requested. Reference list gives all the items directly cited. Bibliography only contains any other reading. Always check your programs or module handbook to see which form of end list is required, or your lecture might tell you. If you're like necessary information, name of author, family names and at least initial, name of journal, chapter or conference paper, name of journal, book or conference, date of publication, volume number for journals, editors for book, if applicable, publisher for books, place of publication for books, page number of article or book chapter. How to reference a book. A book, you include an author includes a surname and the author's initial, date of publication, title, publishers, place of publication. E-book, electronic book, include the edition of access information. Give a home page of website and date and time you access the resource. Journal, author, date, article title, journal information. A journal has an additional information of accessed information. Web page has the author, date, page title, website title, and accessed information. Useful guide. For more information on referencing, please visit your NWU referencing guide, where you will have more examples on citing and referencing. Only focus on the Harvard style, which our school use. Thank you. Though before we end, let's quickly go to your activity. Yes, you always have activity at the end. Guys, this is your activity. It's a multiple choice activity. Read through every equation and choose one. Well, you are lucky because I've already given you an answer for number 9. Citing and bibliography comes, blah, blah, blah. We've went through this. Rewind the video, you will see. Maybe plagiarism is using someone else's work. We have recapped through this. Rewind and see. Let's go to your answer. The source used should be recent source. This implies that they should be current and new. Guys, enjoy your activity. Bye-bye. See you on our next lesson.